Okay, now next topic we need to study about the flip flop. Flip flop क्या होता है? Like flip flop is, I told you, it is one of the sequential circuit, right? ये क्या है? Sequential circuit है. अब flip flop में क्या होता है? Like one will have latch. Latch is draw two NAND gates. One of the NAND gate is like this. Another NAND gate is like this. इसके output, like this is NAND gate 1, this is NAND gate 2. Output of the one NAND gate is connected with the input of second NAND gate. Similarly, output of the second NAND gate is connected with the input of first NAND gate. Okay, so input is represented by B1, B2. B means bit, जैसे bit होती है ना, binary bit. And output here in the flip flop is represented by Q, and this one would be represented by Q bar. Okay, so draw this. This is technically known as latch. No, there is a difference between flip flop and latch. This one is latch. Like suppose we'll have both the inputs are 0. Okay, both the inputs are 0. Then if you don't give any input, then output will be 0 as it is. Correct? Now suppose if this one is 0 and this one is 1, तो ये 0 है तो NAND गेट की टेबल बनाओ. NAND गेट is A dot B bar, तो 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, तो 0 into 0 is 0, 1 हो गया. 1 into 0 is 0, 1 हो गया. 1 into 0 is 0, 1 हो गया. 1 into 1 is 0. So what you can see that if both the inputs are 1, then the output is 0, right? And what you can see another thing, that if any of the input is 0, then output will always be equal to 1. Correct? अगर input 0 है तो output हमेशा क्या होगी? 1. तो यहाँ पे we have given 0 input, तो output क्या होगी? 1 होगी. अब ये output यहाँ पे गई है ना, ये आउटपुट इससे कनेक्टेड है, तो यहाँ पे एक इनपुट 1 हो गई और एक दूसरी इनपुट हमने कितनी दी थी? 1 दी थी, 1 दी थी ना. तो अगर दोनों ही इनपुट 1 है, देन आउटपुट क्या होगी? 0. एंड एज यू नो कि Q और Q बार दे बोथ आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू ईच अदर, राइट? तो अगर Q की वैल्यू 1 है तो Q बार शुड बी इक्वल टू 0, right? So now let's do the case of vice versa. First note down this thing.